வெல்கம் டு சன் தேஜஸ் ஆதி சேனல். இது TNPSC தொடர்பான சேனல் ஆகும். பாருங்கள், வீடியோக்குள் செல்லலாம்.
The seeds of certain plants fail to germinate if they do not pass through the digestive tract of fruit-eating birds. This is due to 1. Hibernation. 2. Seed coat impermeability. 3. Infertility. 4. Vegetative reproduction. 202 Sucrose content in sugarcane decreases. 1. If high rainfall occurs during the period of growth of the plant. 2. If frost occurs during the period of ripening. 3. If there is fluctuation in temperature during the period of growth of the plant. 4. If there is high temperature during the time of ripening. 203 animals having open circulatory system possesses 1. Coelenteron. 2. Spongocele. 3. Pseudocele. 4. Hemocele. 204 The concept of survival of the fittest was first advocated by 1. Oparin. 2. Darwin. 3. Spencer. 4. Haeckel. 205 Deficiency of vitamin D in children causes 1. Beriberi. 2. Pellagra. 3. Rickets. 4. Scurvy. 206 In man, the normal number of chromosomes is 1. 42. 2. 44. 3. 46. 4. 48. 207 Scurvy is a disease which is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin 1. A. 2. K. 3. C. 4. B12. 208 Respiration is 1. Oxidation. 2. Reduction. 3. Hydrolysis. 4. Amination. 209 During photosynthesis green plants absorb 1. Nitrogen. 2. Carbon dioxide. 3. Carbon monoxide. 4. Oxygen. 210 Tamiflu is frontline drug against 1. Bird flu. 2. Cancer. 3. AIDS. 4. Polio. 211 Why excessive heating and repeated use of cooking oil are most undesirable. 1. The oil vapor can cause indoor pollution. 2. Carcinogenic substances like benzpyrene are produced. 3. Nutrient value of food is lost. 4. Loss and wastage of oil. 212 The name of the first cloned sheep was 1. Molly. 2. Dolly. 3. Jolly. 4. Rolly. 213 Through photosynthesis green plants generate 1. Inorganic materials. 2. Minerals. 3. Organic materials. 4. Nutrients. 214 Lac is produced from 1. A tree. 2. An insect. 3. An cat. 4. A muskrat. 215 Quarantine regulation is concerned with 1. Growing of better varieties of plant. 2. Prevention of entry of diseased organism. 3. Spraying of insecticide over diseased plants. 4. Identification of diseased organism. 216 Toxicology is related to the study of 1. Viruses. 2. Bacteria. 3. Diseases. 4. Poisons. 217 Which of the following hormones is released in excess quantity during excitement? 1. Cortisone. 2. Serotonin. 3. Adrenaline. 4. Estrogen. 218 Scientific study of birds is known as 1. Limnology. 2. Herpetology. 3. Malacology. 4. Ornithology. 219 Which one of the following is a non-poisonous snake? 1. Cobra. 2. Dryophyes. 3. Elapes. 4. Python. 220 Which among the following is used in the treatment of tuberculosis? 1. Penicillin. 2. Aspirin. 3. Paracetamol. 4. Dettol. 221 Which part of human body is first highly affected by nuclear radiation? 1. Eyes. 2. Lungs. 3. Skin. 4. Bone marrow. 222 Olive Ridley is a famous 1. Cricketer. 2. Turtle species. 3. Grass-type vegetation. 4. Another name for olive tree. 223 The standard audible capacity of a healthy human being as per World Health Organization is in the range of 1. 45 to 50 decibels. 2. 200 to 250 decibels. 3. 5 to 10 decibels. 4. 2000 to 2500 decibels. 224 Jonas Salk invented the vaccine for 1. Polio. 2. Hepatitis. 3. Typhoid. 4. Cholera. 225 Cancer is a disease where we find uncontrolled 1. Cell division. 2. Cell swelling. 3. Cell inflammation. 4. Cell deformity. 226 Lac, which is used as sealing wax, is produced by 1. Stem. 2. Root. 3. Insect. 4. Bird. 227 Triple vaccine is administered to a newborn child to immunize it against 1. Whooping cough, tetanus, and measles. 2. Whooping cough, tetanus, and diphtheria. 3. Tetanus, diphtheria, measles, and rubella. 4. Tetanus, diphtheria, smallpox, and rubella. 228 An antibiotic is 1. A chemical synthesized by a human cell against a microorganism. 2. A chemical synthesized by a microorganism against another microorganisms. 3. A substance produced by blood cells against bacteria. 4. A substance produced by blood cells against infection. 229 Which one of the following can be synthesized by liver? 1. Vitamin A. 2. Vitamin E. 3. Vitamin D. 4. Vitamin K. 230 Fluid part of blood devoid of corpus callosum is called 1. Tissue fluid. 2. Plasma. 3. Serum. 4. Lymph. 231 Heart murmur indicates a 1. Defective valve. 2. Poor oxygenation. 3. Dislocation of the heart. 4. Improper development of muscles. 232 The language used in writing the scientific name of animals is 1. French. 2. Latin. 3. German. 4. Dutch. 233 Ripe grapes contain 1. Fructose. 2. Sucrose. 3. Galactose. 4. Glucose. 234 MRI stands for 1. Metered resonance imaging. 2. Magnetic resonance imaging. 3. Magnetic reaction imaging. 4. Metered reaction imaging. 235 Raja Rao, the famous Indian novelist who died on July 8, 2006. The title of his first novel was 1. Kantapura. 2. The Serpent and the Rope. 3. The Chess Master and His Moves. 4. The Cat and Shakespeare. 236 The science dealing with the study of teeth is 1. Odontology. 2. Ornithology. 3. Phonology. 4. Cosmology. 237 The enzyme in whose presence glucose and fructose are converted into alcohol is 1. Diastase. 2. Maltase. 3. Invertase. 4. Zymase. 238 The study of visceral organs is 1. Angiology. 2. Arthrology. 3. Anthrology. 4. Splanknology. 239 The branch of biology dealing with the study of cells is known as 1. Cytology, 2. Histology, 3. Psychology, 4. Physiology. 240 The study of extinct animals is called 1. Herpetology, 2. Ornithology, 3. Geology, 4. Paleontology. 241 The medical term used for the sleeplessness is 1. Somnambulism, 2. Insomnia, 3. Hallucination, 4. Nyctinuria. 242 The causative agent of tuberculosis is 1. Mycobacterium, 2. Aspergillus, 3. Rhabdovirus, 4. HIV. 243 The enzyme that is present in the saliva of man is 1. Pepsin, 2. Renin, 3. Amylase, 4. Trypsin. 244 Blood cancer is otherwise called as 1. Anemia, 2. Polycythemia, 3. Leukopenia, 4. Leukemia. 245 Radioimmunoassay, RIA, is a therapy used 1. To cure lung cancer, 2. To cure AIDS, 3. To cure fractures in bones, 4. To detect antibodies and hormones present in the blood samples. 246 Which one of the following is not a true snake? 1. Glass snake, 2. Sea snake, 3. Tree snake, 4. Blind snake. 247 Which one of the following set belongs to the class Mammalia? 1. Lion, hippopotamus, penguin, bat, 2. Lion, bat, whale, ostrich, 3. Hippopotamus, penguin, whale, kangaroo, 4. Whale, bat, kangaroo, hippopotamus. 248 Which one of the following pairs belongs to cartilaginous fish? 1. Shark and tuna, 2. Shark and ray, 3. Skates and hilsa, 4. Ray and eel. 249 Which one of the following is not a true fish? 1. Silverfish, 2. Sawfish, 3. Hammerfish, 4. Suckerfish. 250 Johann Gregor Mendel is famous for propounding 1. Theory of mutation, 2. Laws of heredity, 3. Cell theory, 4. Theory of acquired characters. 251 Which of the following has no skeleton at all? 1. Starfish, 2. Sponge, 3. Jellyfish, 4. Silverfish. 252 What is an endoscope? 1. It is an optical instrument used to see inside the alimentary canal. 2. It is a device which is fitted on the chest of the patient to regularize the irregular heartbeats. 3. It is an instrument used for examining ear disorders. 4. It is an instrument for recording electrical signals produced by human muscles. 253 The age of a tree can be determined more or less accurately by 1. Counting the number of branches, 2. Measuring the height of the tree, 3. Measuring the diameter of the trunk, 4. Counting the number of rings in the trunk. 254 Of all microorganisms, the most adaptable and versatile are 1. Viruses, 2. Bacteria, 3. Algae, 4. Fungi. 255 The disease in which the sugar level of blood increases is known as 1. Diabetes mellitus, 2. Diabetes insipidus, 3. Diabetes imperfect, 4. Diabetes sugarensis. 256 Which one of the following is not a mosquito-borne disease? 1. Dengue fever, 2. Filariasis, 3. Sleeping sickness. 4. Malaria. 257 Who has been conferred the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Ratna, for the year 2007? 1. Dev Anand. 2. Rekha. 3. Dilip Kumar. 4. Shabana Azmi. 258 Which one of the following is the tallest bird? 1. Peacock. 2. Penguin. 3. Ostrich. 4. Emu. 259 Which one of the following animals is called farmer's friend? 1. Ant. 2. Earthworm. 3. Bee. 4. Butterfly. 260 The term gene was coined by 1. T. H. Morgan. 2. W. L. Johansen. 3. G. Mendel. 4. De Vries. 261 Which one of the following creatures has maximum number of ribs? 1. Crocodile. 2. Snake. 3. Rayfish. 4. Flying mammal. 262 Which one of the following is most important for the growth of children up to the age of 14? 1. Protein. 2. Vitamin. 3. Fat. 4. Milk. 263 Study of newly born up to the age of 3 months is called 1. Chorology. 2. Conchology. 3. Nematology. 4. Neonatology. 264 Which one of the following does not secrete any digestive enzyme? 1. Liver. 2. Salivary gland. 3. Glands of small intestine. 4. Pancreas. 265 Which one of the following is related to silviculture? 1. Culture of hilsa. 2. Culture of silver carp. 3. Culture of oil-producing plants. 4. Forest crops. 266 The term GM food refers to the food 1. That grows under genetic measures. 2. That is genetically modified. 3. That grows under geographical modification. 4. With greater glucose metabolism. 267 Which of the following organisms is most likely to produce greenhouse gases such as nitrous oxide and methane? 1. Fungi. 2. Earthworm. 3. Bacteria. 4. Green plants. 268 Which of the following is a fish? 1. Silverfish. 2. Starfish. 3. Dogfish. 4. Cuttlefish. 269 The color of human skin is produced by 1. Hemoglobin. 2. Insulin. 3. Adrenaline. 4. Melanin. 270 Which one of the following is not transmitted via blood transfusion? 1. Hepatitis. 2. Typhoid. 3. HIV. 4. Malaria. 271 Flat-footed camels can walk easily in sandy deserts because 1. Pressure on the sand is decreased by increasing the area of the surface in contact. 2. Pressure on the sand is increased by increasing the area of the surface in contact. 3. Pressure on the sand is decreased by decreasing the area of the surface in contact. 4. Pressure on the sand is increased by decreasing the area of the surface in contact. 272 Which one of the following is not a plant product? 1. Caffeine. 2. Piperine. 3. Nicotine. 4. Saccharin. 273 Which is the anticoagulant substance in blood? 1. Fibrinogen. 2. Heparin. 3. Thrombin. 4. Globin. 274 In which of the following groups, animals bear no teeth? 1. Peacock, ostrich, tortoise. 2. Owl, loris, crow. 3. Alligator, turtle, tortoise. 4. Turtle, kiwi, cow. 275 Jaundice is a symptom of disease of 1. Kidney. 2. Liver. 3. Pancreas. 4. Thyroid. 276. The vaccination against smallpox involves the introduction of 1. Kill germs, 2. Weaken germs, 3. Live antibodies, 4. Activated germs. 277. Deficiency of vitamin B6 in man causes 1. Rickets, 2. Scurvy, 3. Beriberi, 4. Anemia. 278. First successful heart transplantation was done by 1. D. S. Paintal, 2. C. N. Barnard, 3. D. Shetty, 4. P. K. Sen. 279. Yellow fever is transmitted by 1. Aedes, 2. Anopheles, 3. Housefly, 4. Culex. 280. Washing of peeled vegetables removes the vitamin 1. A, 2, C, 3, D, 4, E. 281. Match list I with list 2 and give the correct answer from the code given below. List I, Discoverer, P. Jenner, Q. Watson, R. Landsteiner, S. Fleming. List 2, Discoveries, 1. Blood grouping 2. Penicillin 3. Vaccination 4. Double helix. 282. A man with color blindness will see red as 1. Yellow, 2. Blue, 3. Green, 4. Violet. Which is a constituent of vitamin B12 is 1. Iron, 2. Magnesium, 3. Zinc, 4. Cobalt. 284. According to WHO, the bird flu virus cannot be transmitted through food cooked beyond 281. Match list I with list 2 and give the correct answer from the code given below. List I, Discoverer, P. Jenner, Q. Watson, R. Landsteiner, S. Fleming. List 2, Discoveries, 1. Blood grouping 2. Penicillin 3. Vaccination 4. Double helix. 282. A man with color blindness will see red as 1. Yellow, 2. Blue, 3. Green, 4. Violet. 283. The metal, which is a constituent of vitamin B12 is 1. Iron, 2. Magnesium, 3. Zinc, 4. Cobalt. 284. According to WHO, the bird flu virus cannot be transmitted through food cooked beyond 1. 60 degrees Celsius, 2. 70 degrees Celsius, 3. 90 degrees Celsius, 4. 100 degrees Celsius. 285. The number of chambers in a human heart is 1. 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. 286. A universal recipient belongs to the blood group 1. AB, 2, O, 3, B, 4, A. 287. The vitamin that helps in blood clotting is 1. Vitamin C, 2. Vitamin D, 3. Vitamin E, 4. Vitamin K. 288. Which of the following is a perfect match? 1. Coronary attack, vascular dilation. 2. Atherosclerosis, blockage of arteries. 3. Hypertension, low blood pressure. 4. Hypotension, heart attack. 289. Which of the following is correct about cold-blooded animals? 1. Their blood remains cold all the time. 2. Their body temperature changes in accordance with the atmosphere. 3. Their body temperature remains constant all the time. 4. They kill all the animals they come across. 290. If the blood group of one parent is AB and that of the other O, the possible blood group of their child would be 1. A or B. 2. A or B or O. 3. A or AB or O. 4. A or B or AB or O. 291. How many bones are there in the human body? 1. 187. 2. 287. 3. 206. 4. 306. 292 dinosaurs were 1. Mammals that became extinct. 2. Large herbivorous creatures which gave rise to hippopotamus species. 3. Egg-laying mammals. 4. Reptiles that became extinct. 293 sweat glands in mammals are primarily concerned with 1. Removal of excess salts. 2. Excretion of nitrogenous wastes. 3. Thermoregulation. 4. Sex attraction. 294 The vitamin that helps to prevent infections in the human body is 1. Vitamin A. 2. Vitamin B. 3. Vitamin C. 4. Vitamin D. 295 The normal RBC count in adult male is 1. 5.5 million. 2. 5.0 million. 3. 4.5 million. 4. 4.0 million. 296 Which of the following is the sweetest sugar? 1. Sucrose. 2. Glucose. 3. Fructose. 4. Maltose. 297 The H5N1 virus which causes bird flu was first discovered in 1. 1991. 2. 1995. 3. 1997. 4. 2001. 298 Tetanus is caused by 1. Clostridium. 2. Virus. 3. Bacteriophage. 4. Salmonella. 299 Vitamin E is particularly important for 1. Development of teeth. 2. Carbohydrate metabolism. 3. Normal activity of sex glands. 4. General health of epithelial tissues. 300 Birds usually have a single 1. Kidney. 2. Lung. 3. Testis. 4. Ovary. 301 Blood pressure is controlled by 1. Adrenal gland. 2. Thyroid gland. 3. Thymus. 4. The body luteum. 302 The carbon dioxide content in the air that we exhale is about 1. 4%. 2. 8%. 3. 12%. 4. 16%. 303 Maximum harm to a tree is caused by 1. Loss of half of its leaves. 2. Loss of all leaves. 3. Loss of half of its branches. 4. Loss of its bark. 304 Mineral constituent of chlorophyll is 1. Iron. 2. Magnesium. 3. Calcium. 4. Potassium. 305 Which of the part of tongue bears cells for sour taste? 1. Front. 2. Back. 3. Sides. 4. Middle. 306 The deficiency of vitamin B causes 1. Scurvy. 2. Dermatitis. 3. Give. 5. Phenoderma. 307 In which vertebrate oxygenated and deoxygenated blood gets mixed? 1. Fish. 2. Amphibian. 3. Bird. 4. Mammal. 308 The large amount of sugar present in human blood is 1. Sucrose. 2. Glucose. 3. Fructose. 4. Lactose. 309 Which one of the following is a viral disease in man? 1. Mumps. 2. Plague. 3. Cholera. 4. Syphilis. 310 The expansion for AIDS is 1. Active immunodeficiency syndrome. 2. Acquired individual disease syndrome. 3. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. 4. Acquired immunodisease syndrome. 311 Beekeeping is known as 1. Sericulture. 2. Apiculture. 3. Aquaculture. 4. Agriculture. 312 HYV refers to 1. Hybrid yielding variety. 2. Human yellow virus. 3. High yielding variety. 4. Human yellow vaccine. 313 Among the defects of eye, the short-sightedness is called 1. Coma. 2. Hypermetropia. 3. Myopia. 4. Astigmatism. 314 Human cloning is permitted in Britain for the purpose of 1. Reproduction. 2. Research. 3. Therapeutics. 4. Genetics. 315 Pick out the viral disease among the following. 1. Hepatitis. 2. Meningitis. 3. Arthritis. 4. Nephritis. 316 Dolly, the world's first cloned animal was a 1. Sheep. 2. Cow. 3. Goat. 4. Pig. 317 Vegetables are easily perishable because of their high content of 1. Sugars. 2. Water. 3. Vitamins. 4. Enzymes. 318 Anemia occurs due to the deficiency of 1. Riboflavin. 2. Thiamine. 3. Folic acid. 4. Niacin. 319 For a healthy heart, one needs to take a balanced diet, adequate sleep and 1. Indulge in vigorous mental activities. 2. Play games like carom, chess, and cards. 3. Do right amount of physical exercise. 4. Do sedentary work. 320 AIDS is a/an 1. Bacterial disease. 2. Viral disease. 3. Fungal disease. 4. Algal disease. 321 Amoebic dysentery is caused by 1. Entamoeba histolytica. 2. Salmonella typhi. 3. E. coli. 4. Streptococcus pyogenes. 322 DNA test was developed by 1. Dr. Alec Jeffries. 2. Dr. V.K. Kashyap. 3. Watson and Crick. 4. Gregor Mendel. 323 An ECG shows the functioning of the 1. Brain. 2. Heart. 3. Lungs. 4. Kidneys. 324 Which of the following is incorrect? 1. AIDS is retroviral disease. 2. AIDS is transmitted by homo and heterosexual contact. 3. AIDS was first recognized in USA in 1981. 4. AIDS causes anogenital warts. 325 If the radius of blood vessels of a person decreases his/her blood pressure will 1. Increase. 2. Decrease. 3. Remain unaffected. 4. Increase for males and decrease for females. 326 Cell or tissue death within a living body is called as 1. Neutrophilia. 2. Nephroses. 3. Necrosis. 4. Neoplasia. 327 Insufficient blood supply in human body is referred as 1. Ischemia. 2. Hyperemia. 3. Hemostasis. 4. Hemorrhage. 328 Deep-fried food materials are carcinogenic because they are rich in 1. Fats. 2. Hydrocarbons. 3. Cooking oil. 4. Nicotine. 329 The toxicity of which of the following heavy metals leads to liver cirrhosis? 1. Copper. 2. Lead. 3. Mercury. 4. Zinc. 330 Typhoid is caused by 1. Pseudomonas sp. 2. Staphylococcus. 3. Bacillus. 4. Salmonella typhi. 331 BCG immunization is for 1. Measles. 2. Tuberculosis. 3. Diphtheria. 4. Leprosy. 332 Besides carbohydrates, a major source of energy in our food is constituted by 1. Proteins, 2. Fats, 3. Minerals, 4. Vitamins. 333 The limb bones of children become bent if there is deficiency of vitamin 1. A, 2, B1, 3, D, 4, E. 334 A medicine which promotes the secretion of urine is called 1. Adrenaline, 2. Monoretic, 3. Diuretic, 4. Triuretic. 335 The chemicals released by one species of animals in order to attract the other members of the same species are 1. Hormones, 2. Nucleic acids, 3. Pheromones, 4. Steroids. 336 Jaundice is caused due to the infection of 1. Brain, 2. Liver, 3. Kidney, 4. Spleen. 337 The average heartbeat rate per minute in a normal person is 1. 82, 2. 92, 3. 72, 4. 98. 338 EEG records the activity of 1. Heart, 2. Lungs, 3. Brain, 4. Muscles. 339 The color of cow's milk is slightly yellow due to the presence of 1. Xanthophyll, 2. Riboflavin, 3. Ribulose, 4. Carotene. 340 Which one of these is a communicable disease? 1. Diabetes, 2. Diphtheria, 3. Arthritis, 4. Cancer. 341 The concentration of which of the following decreases in anemia? 1. Hemoglobin, 2. Collagen, 3. Hyoglobin, 4. Myosin. 342 Which of the following diseases usually spreads through air? 1. Plague, 2. Typhoid, 3. Tuberculosis, 4. Cholera. 343 Cereals are a rich source of 1. Starch, 2. Glucose, 3. Fructose, 4. Maltose. 344 Smallpox is caused by 1. Rubella virus, 2. Variola virus, 3. Varicella, 4. Myxovirus. 345 Respiration process requires 1. Heat, 2. Water, 3. Oxygen, 4. Sunlight. 346 A vitamin requires cobalt for its activity. The vitamin is 1. Vitamin B12, 2. Vitamin D, 3. Vitamin B2, 4. Vitamin A. 347 Plasma membrane in eukaryotic cells is made up of 1. Phospholipid, 2. Lipoprotein, 3. Phospholipoprotein, 4. Phosphoprotein. 348 Which one of the following is also called the power plants of the cell? 1. Golgi body, 2. Mitochondrion, 3. Ribosome, 4. Lysosome. 349 What is the chemical name of vinegar? 1. Citric acid, 2. Acetic acid, 3. Pyruvic acid, 4. Malic acid. 350 Animals living in the three trunks are known as 1. Arboreal, 2. Volant, 3. Amphibious, 4. Aquatics. 351 What happens to a person who receives the wrong type of blood? 1. All the arteries constrict, 2. All the arteries dilates, 3. The RBCs agglutinate, 4. The spleen and lymph nodes deteriorate. 352 Ringworm is a disease. 1. Bacterial, 2. Protozoan, 3. Viral, 4. Fungal. 353 Pituitary gland is situated in 1. The base of the heart, 2. The base of the brain, 3. The neck, 4. The abdomen. 354 From which part of the plant is clove, the commonly used spice, obtained? 1. Fruit, 2. Flower bud, 3. Stem, 4. Root. 355 Chewing gum is made from 1. Resin, 2. Tannin, 3. Latex, 4. Gum. 356 The brain of human adult weighs about 1. 1200 to 1300 gm, 2. 1600 to 2000 gm, 3. 500 to 800 gm, 4. 100 to 200 gm. 357 Total number of bones in man is 1. 206, 2. 266, 3. 300, 4. 306. 358 Which of the following snakes killed for its beautiful skin has been declared an endangered species? 1. Python, 2. King cobra, 3. Russell's viper, 4. Crite. 359 The color of the eye depends upon the pigment present in 1. Cornea, 2. Iris, 3. Rods, 4. Cones. 360 The ability of the eye to see in the dark is due to the production of a purple pigment known as 1. Carotene, 2. Rhodopsin, 3. Iodopsin, 4. Retinine. 361 Which of the following statements is true? 1. Dehusk cereals and pulses are more nutritious. 2. Whole grain cereals and pulses are more nutritious. 3. Processed cereal products are nutrient dense. 4. Breakfast cereals are nutrient dense. 362 The vitamin most readily destroyed by heat is 1. Riboflavin, 2. Ascorbic acid, 3. Tocopherol, 4. Thiamine. 363 Which one of the following is not a vaccine? 1. BCG, 2. Anti-rabies, 3. Polio vaccine, 4. Progesterone. 364 The disease that is caused by viruses: 1. Typhoid, 2. Cholera, 3. Common cold, 4. Tetanus. 365 The locomotory organ of amoeba is 1. Pseudopodia, 2. Parapodia, 3. Flagella, 4. Cilia. 366 The number of chromosomes present in normal human being are 1. 23, 2. 46, 3. 22, 4. 48. 367 An instrument for measuring blood pressure is called 1. Barometer, 2. Spirometer, 3. Sphygmomanometer, 4. Hemocytometer. 368 The term Rh factor refers to 1. Rhesus factor, 2. Rheumatoid factor, 3. Renal factor, 4. Rhombic factor. 369 The discoverer of penicillin was 1. Lord Lister, 2. Alexander Fleming, 3. Karl Landsteiner, 4. Walter Reed. 370 Blood groups were discovered by 1. Altman, 2. Landsteiner, 3. Loss, 4. Ronald Ross. 371 The animal which can tolerate more summer heat is 1. Buffalo, 2. Cow, 3. Goat, 4. Donkey. 372 According to Darwin's theory of evolution, long necks in giraffes: 1. arose because of constant attempt to reach leaves on tall trees, generation after generation. 2. Do not give them any special advantage and is just an accident. 3. Give them advantage in finding food, because of which those with long necks survive. 4. Is a result of the special weather prevalent in African savanna. 373 Rickets is the deficiency disease of vitamin D, in which the affected part is the 1. Skin, 2. Hair, 3. Bone, 4. Blood. 374 Darwin finches refers to a group of 1. Fishes, 2. Lizards, 3. Birds, 4. Amphibians. 375 The dried flower buds are used as a spice in 1. Cardamom, 2. Cinnamon, 3. Cloves, 3. Saffron. 376 The tissue in man where no cell division occurs after birth is 1. Skeletal, 2. Nerves, 3. Connective, 4. Germinal. 377 DNA fingerprinting is used to identify the 1. Parents, 2. Rapist, 3. Thieves, 4. All the above. 378 The normal cholesterol level in human blood is 1. 80 to 120 mg%, 2. 120 to 140 mg%, 3. 140 to 180 mg%, 4. 180 to 200 mg%. 379 Which of the following are warm-blooded animals? 1. Whales, 2. Whale sharks, 3. Allides, 4. Draco. 380 Syrinx is the voice box in 1. Amphibians, 2. Reptiles, 3. Birds, 4. Mammals. 381 In a food chain, the solar energy utilized by plants is only 1. 10%, 2. 1%, 3. 0.1%, 4. 0.01%. 382 Which is the largest living bird on Earth? 1. Emu, 2. Ostrich, 3. Albatross, 4. Siberian crane. 383 In coriander, the useful parts are 1. Roots and leaves, 2. Leaves and flowers, 3. Leaves and dried fruits, 4. Flowers and dried fruits. 384 Which plant is called herbal Indian doctor? 1. Amla, 2. Mango, 3. Neem, 4. Tulsi. 385 The pH of human blood is 1. 7.2, 2. 7.8, 3. 6.6, 4. 7.4. 386 Which amongst the following is largest endocrine gland in the body? 1. Thyroid, 2. Parathyroid, 3. Adrenal, 4. Pituitary. 387 Which amongst the following is the largest mammal? 1. Elephant, 2. Whale, 3. Dinosaur, 4. Rhinoceros. 388 Which part becomes modified as the tusk of elephant? 1. Canine, 2. Premolar, 3. Second incisor, 4. Molar. 389 The noble gas used for the treatment of cancer is 1. Helium, 2. Argon, 3. Krypton, 4. Radon. 390 Bt seed is associated with 1. Rice, 2. Wheat, 3. Cotton, 4. Oil seeds. 391 Bark of this tree is used as a condiment. 1. Cinnamon, 2. Clove, 3. Take, 4. Palm. 392 Saliva helps in the digestion of 1. Fats, 2. starch. 3. Proteins. 4. Vitamins. 393 The longest bone in the human body is 1. Ulna. 2. Humerus. 3. Femur. 4. Tibia. 394 Which of the following is the smallest bird? 1. Pigeon. 2. Parrot. 3. Hummingbird. 4. House sparrow. 395 White lung disease is prevalent among the workers of 1. Paper industry. 2. Cement industry. 3. Cotton industry. 4. Pesticide industry. 396 Iodoform is used as an 1. Antipyretic. 2. Analgesic. 3. Antiseptic. 4. Anesthetic. 397 The optimum dissolved oxygen level, in mg/liter, required for survival of aquatic organisms is 1. 4 to 6, 2. 2 to 4, 3. 8 to 10, 4. 12 to 16. 398 An example of false fruit is 1. Apple. 2. Guava. 3. Mango. 4. Tomato. 399 Normal fasting blood sugar level per 100 milliliter of blood in man is 1. 30 to 50 milligrams. 2. 50 to 70 milligrams. 3. 80-100 mg. 4. 120-140 mg. 400 The vector of disease sleeping sickness is 1. Sandfly. 2. Housefly. 3. Fruit fly. 4. Tsetse fly.
Thanks for watch my channel. அடுத்த வீடியோவில் சந்திப்போம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.